Yep, that's right. I'm already back with another video. What do I have today? Remember in my last video I mentioned that I had a lip coming that not everybody runs on these cars? I think for the most part, the most common lips you see are the CS style lip and the PSM front splitter. That's what you see mostly on these cars. They're really good looking lips, and not talking shit if you have one of those, because I really like them. But my thing is to kind of try to stand out, so that's what I'm doing a little bit. I don't know if people will like this lip or not. There's a few things that I want to explain about it, and I think with the look overall that I'm eventually going for, this lip will actually look really good. So I'm not going to really go into too much today. As far as installs, that's not really what my channel is. I like to just bring you guys along with me so you can kind of hang out and you know, just check out what I'm up to. So there's something else I want to talk about. I want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Now, I know 100 subscribers isn't a lot, but to me, I want to make sure that I keep track of every milestone that I make along this journey. I like doing it, and it means the world to me that there's 100 people in this world that even want to look at my page. Not only that, want to click the subscribe button. So let's get into this lip. Pause. Well, not pause if it's a girl. Get into the, yeah, I like, yeah. This lip is a M4 GTS style lip. There are brands out there that sell these that are actually almost identical replicas to the OEM M4 GTS lips. Now, here's my thing. Would I like for this to be able to extend? Yes and no. I don't really care. It looks on point. It's kind of got this faux splitter here. But here's my thing. After splitting my 3D Designs lip almost in half like that, I'm not buying expensive lips anymore, guys. This is real carbon fiber. It's really nice. It's off of eBay. I'm not buying expensive lips anymore. If you think I'm going to spend $1,500 for a replica GTS lip just so I can destroy it, especially one where I can make the splitter more aggressive, which you know I would want to do if I had it. So I'm not spending big money on lips anymore. I did that in the beginning because I had no clue. I've never had lowered cars and things like that. So this is a learning journey for me, and I'm trying to bring you along with me. But this stuff right here is right up my alley. This lip sticks out much further than my 3D Designs lip did. So this might have been a bad idea. I don't know. Either way, I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I spent $399, so I spent $400 on this lip, which is still crazy for something that's probably just going to get destroyed. And you know, it could be tomorrow or it could be 6 months from now, but at some point this will get destroyed on something, I'm sure. We will get the car lifted up just a little bit. So alright guys, so I got fucked. Do I even have to say pause on that? I got screwed. Fuck, man. They didn't have what I needed, okay? They didn't have what I needed. I've never had any luck with this stuff, so let's hope my luck with Gorilla Glue changes today. Never had any luck with the stuff. The Scotch Extreme mount it works really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go back home. All right, so this shit is so low that I don't have any way of safely lining this lip up. My floor jack will not fit under the lip. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually using whatever I can find to kind of prop it up to where I can line it up. And it's kind of not good. That honestly looks about right. That looks really close, so I'm gonna find maybe one more bottle to prop me up on this right side over here. This is, yeah. I know, kind of a nuts way of going about this. Fuck! As you can see, I have everything lined up and I'm now taking off the tape. I've got the tape off of this side over here and I'm doing the middle and then I'll get to that side next. So yeah, this has been a pain in my ass, so. Alright, so the lip got on with the double-sided tape. It's super secure. So I feel bad for talking shit about Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Grip. Gorilla Tape. I feel really bad about talking shit about Gorilla Tape because it is on there. For how I had to do this, I couldn't be happier with the fitment. So, $400 lip. Shut the fuck! Sorry about that. So, $400 lip. Working really good. Now I get to drill some holes into my bumper. Alright guys, so the lip is on. I'm in love with the fitment on this lip. I'm in love with how it mounted. The double-sided tape and self-tapper seems so much sturdier than my OEM mounting points did for the 3D Designs lip. And it held, that thing saw 150 miles an hour and stayed on. So people who say that this is going to come off with self-tappers and double-sided tape, I don't know what you're talking about because that is on there. So I'm a dumbass and I had already taken out all my OEM bolts out of the bumper. So now I have to go under there and put those back in and then I'll be ready to show you guys what this lip looks like in all of its entirety, and I am ecstatic. So Alright YouTube, so we're not getting too bad of rain at this moment, but I just want to say I'm so happy with this lip. BMW knows what they're doing, especially whenever they're, you know, creating these parts for their GTS cars and their track cars. So they did a wonderful job with this style of lip, and it looks so aggressive, and I like how it kind of keeps some of the aggressiveness of the front bumper. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.